Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which fundamental right guarantees the abolition of untouchability? A. Article 14, B. Article 17, C. Article 19, D. Article 21. The correct answer is option B, Article 17. Article 17 of the Constitution abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. Next question is, which constitutional amendment is related to Panchayati Raj institutions? A. 73rd, B. 44th, C. 42nd, D. 52nd. The correct answer is option 73rd. The 73rd Amendment Act of 1992 gave constitutional status to Panchayati Raj. Next question is, the term Biosphere Reserve was introduced by A. UNEP, B. FAO, C. UNESCO, D. WHO. The correct answer is option C, UNESCO. UNESCO launched the Man and the Biosphere program, MAB, which includes the concept of biosphere reserves. Next question is, which compound gives the characteristic smell to garlic? A. Sulfur dioxide, B. Allicin, C. Methane, D. Acetic acid. The correct answer is option B. Allicin. Allicin is the sulfur-containing compound responsible for garlic's smell and health benefits. Next question is, the ozone layer is found in which layer of the atmosphere? A. Troposphere, B. Mesosphere, C. Stratosphere, D. Exosphere. The correct answer is option C, Stratosphere. The ozone layer lies in the stratosphere and absorbs most harmful ultraviolet radiation. Next question is, who is the author of the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? A. M. N. Roy, B. R.C. Dutt, C. D.G. Tendulkar, Dadabhai Naoroji. The correct answer is option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji authored the book explaining the drain of wealth theory under British colonialism. Next question is, what is the capital of the ancient kingdom of Magad during Ashok's rule? A. Ujjain, B. Pataliputra, C. Vaishali, D. Nalanda. The correct answer is option B, Pataliputra. Pataliputra was the capital of the Mauryan Empire during Ashok's reign, known for its administrative and cultural prosperity. Next question is, which amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 in India? 42nd Amendment, B. 44th Amendment, 61st Amendment, D. 52nd Amendment. The correct answer is option C, 61st Amendment. The 61st Constitutional Amendment Act of 1989 reduced the minimum voting age to 18 years. Next question is, the term carbon footprint refers to A. Oxygen produced by plants, B. Use of fertilizers in agriculture, C. Total greenhouse gas emissions, D. Measurement of soil erosion. The correct answer is option C, total greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon footprint is the total amount of greenhouse gases, especially CO2, emitted by an individual or entity. Last question is, which city is known as the City of Seven Hills? A. Rome, B. Athens, C. Paris, D. Istanbul. The correct answer is option A, Rome. Rome is historically known as the City of Seven Hills, referring to the seven hills around which ancient Rome was built. Now it's time for practice question. The term double helix is associated with A. Chlorophyll, B. RNA, C. DNA, or D. Hemoglobin. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.